Today we learn about some pigeons fun facts. Are you ready? Let's start.
Roosting.
Do you know? What do pigeons say? Pigeons say, cuckoo. Do you know what different colors pigeons can be? Pigeons can be gray, white, brown, black, and a mixture of various colors.
Nice!
Do you know where are pigeons found? Pigeons are found in farmyards, feed mills, parks, city buildings, bridges, and anywhere with adequate food and water. Do you know what do pigeons eat? Pigeons eat grains, seeds, vegetables, fruits, berries, insects, snails, earthworms, and more. Do you know where do pigeons go at night? Pigeons like to go to trees, abandoned houses, underside of bridges, or take a corner on a cliffside. Do you know How long can pigeons live? Pigeons can live up to 15 years as pets and 3 to 4 years in natural environment. Do you know? Daddy pigeon and mommy pigeon stay together for life. Yes, and together they take care of their baby pigeons. Do you know? Where do pigeons like to build their nest? Pigeons like to build nests alongside buildings and lay eggs and raise baby pigeons in those nests. Do you know what is the best ability of pigeons? Pigeons remember their way home and can return back even from long distances with high speed. Do you know? What are pigeons known for? Pigeons are known for transporting messages effectively from one place to another since a long time. Do you know? What do pigeons do to stay safe? Pigeons remain in flocks while flying and eating to keep themselves safe.